Hey everyone, so I have pulled a card for you all out there today and I asked what has been the theme for April, and the Ten of Cups came through, and it's all about, the theme has been about creating a happy home, creating a safe haven for you and your family and yourself. Like, you can look at this as a symbol of your own home, as in your own body, your own self, and it's about creating a really connected, happy, joyous home for yourself. And if you're looking at your family life, then it's about creating it in your family life. And it's about celebrating the good times and focusing more on what is working, what has been good, what have been the good times, and being a little bit more playful in your energy and not so serious. And really just, living in the moment of fun and happiness. So that's been the theme for April. Then I asked for some clarification on this card. So then what came out was the Two of Swords. And so the message here is about, the theme has been about going inwards and not so much focusing on what you've already created in the three-dimensional reality, but going inwards and concentrating on what you do want to create. And that would come back to, the happy home, either the happy home within yourself or the happy home in your actual life, in your family life. And really, for me in this card, the Two of Swords is representing that protection of that. So, going inwards, shutting out the three-dimensional reality, shutting out the current manifestations that you have in your life, and then going inwards, but then protecting that inwards, reality that you're creating, like that different reality that you want, and protecting that energy. And so that you can then manifest that new reality that you want to manifest and let go of the current reality that you've been experiencing. So this little message is the theme that's been for April. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know if it resonates with you. Let me know if you have any insights, or I really want to know if this has really spoken to you. Alrighty, hope you have an amazing day. See ya.